Hello, Miss Jenny's class. I have heard wonderful things about you guys, so let's make sure we live up to those expectations, okay, guys? My name is up on the board, and I know it's a little hard to pronounce, so you can just call me Miss M, okay, guys? Whatever you guys are comfortable with. You guys are going to help me with the names, okay, guys? I'm not very good at them. Okay, Mia. Okay, my apologies. John. That one's easy for me. Okay. Ooh, I don't know, hun. Did your teacher usually let you do that? Okay, well, it wasn't on the paper, so I'm not sure if I can do that for you. I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Show me 5. Show me 5. Ladies and gentlemen, show me 5. You guys are out of control. You, come here. Come here. No, you're not in trouble. I need to ask you something. Can you tell me those 3 boys' names? Okay, and the girl in the green shirt. Okay, thank you. I'll put a good report for you, but this class is completely out of hand.
I remember when my mom wouldn't buy me shit, so I would literally Google, like, free online credit cards.
Bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Got the whole club looking at her. She's just
I got issues, yeah, bitch, I got issues. W, Vogue, Cosmo, I got issues.
She's the last one out to get this dough.
Sally, you so crazy. Oh, hold on 1 second. What do you need? Do you have a pass? All right, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna call you back, okay? Got to do it. Okay, love ya. What's wrong? Okay, well, I can't give you any prescribed meds for any of those things, but I do have ice. You want ice? You sure you don't? Well, I'm gonna give it to you anyway, just in case, so you don't have to come back and ask for it if you do want it. You want me to give Mother a call home? All right. Well, if she doesn't answer the phone, you can lay on the couch for a little bit, but after that, you have to go back to your 3rd block, okay? All right. Here you go.
The name game, Judy.
Why would you ever kiss me?
Nana Fana for foodie.
Hey guys, how's it going? Long time no see. Aw, the bed's not fucking made, the clothes are on the ground. That's it, we're fucking leaving.
Okay.
Yeah, I smell good. Is that your boy's cologne? Is that your boy's cologne?
Alright, you're not fucking pushing the car anymore.
I knew this bitch named Becky. She liked to talk real sexy, nasty bitch.
I am that bitch named Becky.
Get slapped with the rest in the mouth.
But the rest, she get slapped. And that bitch from my man.
I can't really bite it.
Fucking dumbass! It was fucking you!
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. Wait, what if it's not still killing? Wait.
Boys and girls,
Glendale community. Yesterday, as I was exiting the building and heading towards my car, I was deeply disturbed at the amount of litter I saw scattered across the schoolyard. Now, do I know who the culprits are? No. It could be you. It could be you. It could be you. I don't know. We don't know. But as we enter Spirit Week, it is imperative that we all put our trash where it belongs and that we are respectful to the school grounds.
I don't really love her. Yeah. I might have to double. Yeah. Dripping in my jealous. Yeah. Dripping in my jealous. Yeah. Dripping in my jealous. Yeah. Dripping in my.
I hope no one heard that. Yeah. I hope no one heard that. Cause if they did, we gon' be in some trouble.
Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot this on me. That bitch go pew.
So you think I'm skinny?
Leave, then leave. Get that bread, get that head, then leave.
If you have normal parents, you open a door like this. And if you have strict parents, you open a door like this.
Mama said come wash the dishes. Man, I ain't washing no fucking dishes. Oh, Mama, Quincy said, bruh, shut up. Mama, no, I didn't.
Murder on my mind.
Oh my God, no he did not take me to one of these fine ass resorts. I'ma see a Fruit Loops bird.
Hey, it's okay. It's going to be alright. You do not have to worry. Everything happens for a reason and it's going to be fine. Some situations suck, but you just gotta keep going, move through it, and make sure that the next day is even better. A lot of things right now are changing and it seems extremely scary, but it's okay. Take a deep breath, breathe with me. Let it out. You're alive. Things come and go every single day. And everything isn't forever. So, I want to say I love you. And if this is the last time you see me, I will miss you. I hope you have a great day.